Hello, Immerse 2018. Let me hear you, everybody! All right, our next act is the Rollins Choir and Orlando Philharmonic. They're bringing us an exciting new fanfare dedicated to our beautiful city. It's written for the Orlando Philharmonic Brass and joined by voices from Rollins. And we hope that you enjoy this collaborative celebration. And now I pass off the microphone to Keith Lay, composer.
Thank you, Julie. Okay, I want you to sing this. I want to give you a little idea. So when you sing stuff, you have to believe it. And I know we believe in this city, but let's think about the things we're thankful for. How about Immerse? We're thankful for Immerse. We're thankful for Orlando Phil, who commissioned this a couple years ago to celebrate their 25 years. That's awesome, 25 years. Now they're in their 26th. The singers from Rollins College are helping us with this new version of this song, which I'm going to teach you. And let's think of other things that I know. I'm thankful, I'm sure you are too, of all the... Now sometimes it takes a minute to say, oh yeah, I'm thankful for, and those things would include, how about the education, like Rollins, like UCF, Full Sail, so many great colleges of the arts here. And how about the science here, all the technology. Did you know that we're one of the seats of technology in this country? All the science and technology, simulation, that is something to be thankful for. And also, I think everyone would have to agree that we are a compassionate and inclusive city. Yeah? So you feeling it? Let's remember these things as we sing. So I'm going to sing you, the words are really, really simple. It's Orlando 13 times, and then it's the city beautiful. Orlando, Orlando, the city beautiful, Orlando, Orlando. So I'm going to sing one phrase, and I want you to sing it back. Are we cool with that? I'm going to break it up. And it's not going to be in exactly the right key, right? Ready? It'd be like, ready for this? Orlando. Okay, you sing it back. Ready? 2, 3. Orlando. Okay, and then it answers, Orlando. Ready? Orlando. And then it goes up the octave. Orlando. 2, ready? Orlando. Orlando. Same thing. Okay, all together. You guys ready? And then when we do it for real, you gotta sing along. But let's rehearse the whole thing. Ready? 2, 3. Orlando. 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 Awesome. And then it's the city beautiful is the same melody. You'll get that. Okay, y'all ready? Y'all ready? I would like to introduce to you Dr. John Sinclair, who is the music director of Winter Park Bach Festival, another amazing organization in our city. And take it away, John.
Orlando.